All right, when I'm repairing what is called a timeout trim, not in position. So what I'm doing is removing the plate that's over the bobbin with this unique L-shaped tube Phillip head screw, and I'm trying to take it all loose. Once you remove the screw, just set it to the side, and you're gonna do the same thing for both sides. I'm just gonna remove the top, and this could have been for nesting or threading just building up overuse. So that's where you get that. So you just unscrew it, remove the plate, dust off the thread, oil it, and then put it back together, and you back to trimming. So I found a unique way. Just when you get it halfway out, get the head halfway out, the hole, just turn it with your 2 fingers and remove it. So it has a little nesting that built up. I don't know if you guys can see it, but right there, a little nesting going on. So I'm gonna get out the little handy brush, clean that. Ooh, there's a lot of it too. I haven't had the machine that long, so I don't think it needs to have any oil on it. It's because I haven't had it that long. Just got it a couple of days ago, so I'm not going to add any oil to it. But if you had yours for quite some time, I would say go ahead and oil it, so that way you won't have too many problems. So I went out to Home Depot and I got this little wrench right here, and it fits under there, so it should give me, I should be able to ratchet it in there without any problems. So let me get it down some inside of this hole, and then I'm gonna go ahead and do my thing. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. So it's kind of in there now. And it's kind of giving me a problem. But like I said, this tube is somewhat handy, because mine was a little tight and I couldn't get it out with the wrench that came with it. So I did some research online, trying to find the L-shaped type wrench. Seen something on Amazon I might grab, because it seemed like it'll work just right for this machine. But so far so good. And that's just off. I got that problem doing only 1, 2, 3 hats, and I got some build up. So I'm gonna give Ricoma a call tomorrow and ask how that so, just 3 hats, why I got nesting so quick. So if that's going to be a thing, then that's a problem. You know what I mean? That's a problem. That after doing 3 ball caps, if I'm gonna have to do this every so often after 3 ball caps, then that might be a problem, people. So, yeah. It's called, again, trimming not in position. This is when you're going to get this problem. The machine is not going to work. It's going to stop. It's not going to let you go any further than what you already have until you clean the problem. So, and I'll shoot another video once I get it back up, because I have to put the bobbin back in. I'm still new to it, so I got to go watch the video and get it back to where it was. And I want to say, folks, look like I pretty much got it all in. Put the manpower in there. There it goes. So that's what I'm looking for. Put that little elbow grease in there. There we go. Come on. Use that ratchet. Get that ratchet. There we go. Like, go a half a turn, take it out, reposition it. There you go. All right. So we'll go back and create the bobbin. Then we'll get the machine back online. So I gotta go back and watch my video. Where's my video? All right, get back to the front.
Portion of section of it, 110 by 110. That's right, camera. We don't want no single edge on the right hand side. Okay? On the right hand side, making it number 9, just like mine. Now, when you grab your bobbin with your right hand, you want to grab your bobbin casing with the left. Work on that, prepping on half a dome. Size L as in Larry, commercial grade, and it's pre-wound. Size L as in Larry, commercial grade, and it's pre-wound. Now, whenever you prep your bobbin, always remember that the thread has to be on the right-hand side. Okay? On the right-hand side, making it number 9, just like mine. Now, when you grab your bobbin with your right hand, you want to grab your bobbin casing with the left. Okay? And always remember, you have to have the little pigtail always on the top. Okay? The pigtail always has to be on the top. You're going to grab your bobbin